My name is ThanhDat Do, 28 years old, and I'm from Vietnam. Now I'm working as software engineer in Trip, a startup company in Yokohama. My role here is software team leader. Yeah, I came here for 4 years ago, and back to that time, I just graduated from college, and I was young and eager to explore myself, to find new challenges, new adventure. Then I got the chance to go to Japan from an IT company in Vietnam as an employee. Yeah, that is why I don't know. To be honest, I didn't have a long-term strategy for my career at the beginning. After coming to Japan, I have been trained to become a bridge software engineer. Turn out, I'm not a fit for this position. Then I quit and started hunting new job in Japan. My first job in Japan is internship position for one of the biggest corporation in Japan. And after the internship ended, I worked for a startup company in Yokohama until now. So after my internship ended, I started hunting a new job. I tried with many platforms like English, Untitled, and Stack Overflow. And finally, I get my first interview in my current company here. I have done a mobile application that have a lot of things in common with the app the company has been developing. So we have a lot of things in common to talk about in the interview, and this goes well. I get the job. Yeah, so I work here now until now for 3 years. And now I become a team leader. Yeah, forget the job, especially for a software engineer. Your skills, programming skill is the most important thing. In my case, from my experience, I have done some side projects, and one of them, luckily, have another thing in common with the project company has been developing. So it's like a big advantage for me in the interview. So I think you guys should have some side project. And with junior position, I think the attitude is so important. Yeah, you always express that you willing to learn more. And if you in the interview, if you don't clear by anything, you should ask, and always give your honest answers. That's important. Fortunately, Japan now become more international than ever. I actually think in more 5 or 10 years, Japan will become United States of Asia. So there are a lot of opportunities out there for you guys, even you are non-Japanese speakers. But for sure, we living in Japan, so if you can speak Japanese, it's going to be a big advantage for you. And I think if you are going to apply for a position that use Japanese as main language for communication, you should get at least 0.50 and 3. Yeah, I have the same level in my first interview. Oh, no worry about this. Getting visa in Japan is kind of easy, at least from my experience. So as long as you get a job in Japan, you can get a visa. Your company will take care of own procedure, and even you have to eat yourself, it's okay, because Japan has one of the best public service in the world, and people in immigration office are very nice. And one of them is, I think the most important thing is responsibility. I mean, most of the people I know, no matter how they learn or work, they always do it the best. So I learned so much from this. And the other thing is Kaizen. Yeah, I really love the idea of Kaizen, that you go forward and you become better day by day, time by time. And after time, it's gonna make a big impact on your life. Yeah. The Kaizen helped me a lot, I have to say. Also Kaizen. Yeah, Kaizen is tricky and it can lead to perfectionism. That in that you by a lot of time, a lot of effort to make a very small impact on your success. Easy question. It's definitely Hokkaido. I traveled there once, and I sure I want to go there more with my friend or my family, my girlfriend. Yeah. The scenery in Hokkaido is very epic, very beautiful. Yeah. It's very highly recommend for you to go there. I miss my family. Actually, two of my grandparents just passed away some time ago, and I feel very upset when I couldn't see them for the last time. Yeah. I'm coming back to my country at the end of the year. After that, I will keep working for team in this company for more 1 to 2 years. Meanwhile, I trying to build my own company. That's just a platform, a mobile platform, which teach people to learning language faster with AI.